this video, we will demonstrate the difference in the installation of our premium retainer bulge and our stainer retainer bulge. We already have our retainer installed. Now we're going to take our premium retainer bulge with epoxied stainless screw. You can see it's all one piece. All you need to do to install this is screw it into the end of your retainer. Screwing this in will make sure that nobody will be able to tell you're wearing a device, and it will also make sure that no pee leaks out after you urinate wearing our retainer. This one easily screws and unscrews and has a very smooth finish. Here is our standard retainer bulge with separate bolt. All you have to do is put the bolt in through the top, and you'll need to put your finger on the bolt while screwing this in to make sure they stay together. You can see the surface finish of our standard bulge is a little rougher than our premium bulge, but it is still smooth. It basically does the same thing, it just prevents any pee from leaking out and makes sure that nobody will be able to tell you're wearing a device. We offer this as a two-piece configuration to save cost for our budget-minded consumers.